Situated on over 10 acres, endless views, and a home designed to make the most of both. Nestled between the foothills of the Green Mountains and the shores of Lake Champlain, Charlotte offers a rare mix of peaceful country living and proximity to everything you need. From here, you're just 10 minutes to the village of Shelburne and only 20 to the heart of Burlington. The Green Mountains stretch across the horizon, visible from nearly every room. Inside, the open floor plan was built around these views, connecting you to the landscape in every season. Vaulted ceilings and picture windows draw the outdoors in, whether you're sharing meals with family or savoring a quiet morning alone. The main level includes a generous primary suite with a walk-in closet, ensuite bath, and direct access to the deck. Downstairs, 3 additional bedrooms, a bright family room, and a large game room offer flexible space for guests or hobbies, all with views and access to a second private deck. Whether you're drawn to Charlotte's rural charm or its proximity to the greater Burlington area, this property offers the rare combination of privacy, beauty, and possibility, including a subdividable lot for future flexibility.